how to make pants in Roblox in 2024. Now the first thing that we'll do is load up the Roblox website. Then we'll need to click on create. Now from this creator hub that loads up, we will need to go into creations. And here what we're going to choose is avatar items. So click on avatar items and then we want to go into classics. Now here you will see the classic types. So if we click on this drop down menu, we can select classic pants. Just select classic pants, and if you scroll down it will show us the requirements for the pants themselves. So max number of files, the format, and the max file size. So if we select upload asset here and we scroll up, you should be able to see this asset type pants. We can click on upload and we can find the picture or the design for our pants. Then we can name it. So I'm going to call it pants test. We can also write a description here, which is actually mandatory because it has an asterisk. And after we're done with this information, we will click on upload. It's going to cost us 10 Robux, and that's basically how we do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.